Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A21 with any Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer that phone used to here in this video is not actually A21. However, for educational and demo purposes, this Samsung phone is used, so don't worry about it. Let's learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A21 with any Android TV. First of all, make sure that you have common connection from your phone and TV too. Okay, that is you should connect your phone and TV to a common Wi-Fi. Okay, so here first go to your phone and go to Wi-Fi section of your phone and find out what Wi-Fi is connected to your phone. Here Thurai 5G is connected in my phone, so the same Wi-Fi should also be connected to my TV. So go to your TV and select settings of your TV to find out the Wi-Fi and click on network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi here, and available Wi-Fi will be listed here, and select the corresponding Wi-Fi. That is what Wi-Fi you have used in your phone. That Wi-Fi should be used. So Thurai 5G is selected and it is connected. So I have connected my phone and TV to a common Wi-Fi named Thurai 5G. Now come to your phone and go to Google Play Store in your phone. Go to Google Play Store and search for Google Home app. Just go to search bar and type Google Home. Google Home. And yes, this is the required app. Just click on install and it will be downloading and installing. Just wait few seconds or go to drink a tea, and within drinking tea it will be finished. And yes, it is finished, and go to open the Google Home app. Yes, it is opening, and click just to follow on screen instruction, click on get started and click on next. And if it is asking any permission, just give it. And here you go to select the email ID. So carefully select email ID. What email ID you have already logged in your TV, that email ID should be selected. No other email ID should be selected, because that will not work. Okay, so just to select the email ID that you have already used in your TV. Okay, so make sure that email ID is common for both phone and TV, and select OK. And yes, then click on next and give permission, and click on next and give permission for location access, but it is asking you to turn on location services from the phone settings itself, and actually this is not needed, so click on skip. And now you will find TV signal, that is TV devices. Click on devices, tap on devices, so that you will see TV device here. Yes, this is the TV device. Just click on TV device and click on customize screen here, and click on cast screen and click on start now to initiate screen mirroring. Now screen will be mirrored. Yes, if you would like to adjust the volume, you can here adjust. Okay, this is to increase volume, this is to decrease volume. And yes, I go to another screen, that is home screen of my phone, that is also seen in my TV. See, what you open in your phone, that will be exactly in your TV. I open phone P in my phone, that is also seen in my TV. So in this way you can easily do screen mirroring from your phone. Okay, see, yes, done. In this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A21 with any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.